It's that time of year again where I get to hear the biggest lie going. My kid was around someone else that was sick and they got sick. Or they're going to preschool, or they're going to school, or I was around this person the other day and now I'm sick. I gotta be honest with you, it's the biggest lie going. It's hogwash, it's BS. The reason why I know that is because I see sick people every day in my office, and guess how often I get sick? Zero, right? So I want to teach you the tried and true way that we know why people get sick. It's not about who you're around, it's about the strength of your immune system. If you have a strong immune system like myself and my staff, we see hundreds of people a day, yet we are very rarely or hardly ever sick. We're going to teach you what caused you to become ill, what caused your immune system to become weak, and how you can actually avoid most of that and actually stay healthy all winter long. We have a special opportunity called Bulletproofing Your Immune System, where we're going to teach you how to strengthen your immune system so it can stand up to whatever you're exposed to. We have a special learning opportunity on Tuesday, the 26th at noontime, and Thursday, the 28th at 6 p.m., where I'm going to divulge all the information over 20 years of studying the human body and health, and also your immune system of actually how to stay healthy and well. So I want to give you that, all that information, all those resources of how to do that for you and your family. So don't miss that opportunity. Tuesday at noontime, the 26th, Thursday, the 28th at 6 p.m. We would love to have you here, and we're going to go deep dive into habits and behaviors that allow you to have a weakened immune system. We're going to teach you the nutrients that will really boost your immune system. I know everyone here with the recent COVID thing is all into nutrients now. Some can be good for your immune system. Some can actually be deterrent to your immune system if you're taking too much, like zinc. Everyone heard zinc's really good. Now we're loading up on zinc. That could be good or could be bad for your body. It throws other nutrients out of balance, so you got to be very careful with that. We're also going to talk about vaccines and stuff. If you're really reliant or know people that are reliant on artificial ways to boost your immune system, that's rife with all kinds of problems and issues and stuff. We want to speak into that, speak into the truth of what vaccines actually do to your body. So it's my favorite class that I give all the time, and we're going to have current information on what's going on with this most recent COVID uptick and stuff, what's causing that. So we want to actually speak into that and give you some really truth and really some ammunition of how to stay healthy and well for you and your family, so you can avoid most of the illness, most of the sickness, and actually have a way to overcome that. So look forward to having you in our class. Friends and guests are also welcome here. And if you have any other questions or need more time or even need directions to our office, just reach out and we would love to help you out. So can't wait to help you bulletproof your immune system on Tuesday, noontime, 26th, Thursday, 6 p.m.